It is often desirable that your tooth flanks be not too close together at the peaks, and likewise, not too close together at the valleys. To control for this, a channel for min-peak proportion and min-valley proportion is included. These define the minimum width of the peak or valley between tooth flanks as a proportion of the tooth width, where the tooth width is measured as the direct distance between where the tooth flanks intersect the pitch curve. For example, a min-peak proportion of 0.25 means the tooth peaks will be at least 25% as wide as the tooth width. By controlling these proportions, you can blunt or sometimes sharpen the teeth. But note, this is only a minimum proportion. Other variables, such as the max roll distance, which is explained in another video, can impact the actual dimension. You can be sure, however, that the peaks and valleys will be at least as wide as you specify. The default min-peak proportion is 0.2, and the default min-valley proportion is 0.5. Keep in mind that both these channels are not shared attributes. You are free to blunt the peaks and valleys of each gear separately using distinct proportions. Like all variable curves, you can vary these proportions continuously to find values that are locally optimal. The proportion is sampled by evaluating your variable curve at the flank intersections and then averaging the two values.